Their view of salvation is that the Bab is referred to as the Redeemer of all mankind, and his death, his execution, is referred to as the Second Calvary. Also, the 40 years that Baha'u'llah spent in prison, it is said that he, quote, consented to be bound in chains that mankind may be released from its bondage. And he is referred to as the savior of the whole human race. Quote, Baha'u'llah repeatedly stressed that only revealed religion can save us from our imperfections. The only salvation in any age, Baha'is believe, is to turn again towards God, to accept his manifestation for that day, and to follow his teachings. So that's crystal clear. In our day, the only salvation to be had is to accept Baha'u'llah and his teachings. That's how you're saved. However, they also teach, quote, it is even possible that the condition of those who have died in sin and unbelief may be changed. That is to say, they may become objects of pardon through the bounties of God. In the afterlife, they can plead for forgiveness and receive light through entreaties and supplications. So it seems like a contradiction there. And they hold to what seems to me a purgatory-like concept. Quote, the progress of man's spirit in the divine world is through the bounties and grace of the Lord alone, or through the intercessions and sincere prayers of other human souls, or through the charities and important good works which are performed in its name.